Are you still eating these tiny peanut butter cups? Nah. Make yourself a giant peanut butter cup. First thing we need to do is temper our chocolate. I have 2 cups of chocolate chips in here.
Stir over a double boiler until they're completely melted.
When your chocolate's completely melted, slowly add in 2 more cups of chocolate chips.
Stir until these are completely melted.
And then keep adding them in, a little bit at a time. When your chocolate's finally tempered, we're gonna put it into a large tart pan.
Pour about 2/3 of it in your pan. I'm using a brush just to brush up the sides. You can use a spoon.
Let this harden up or put it in the refrigerator to speed the process up. Now for the filling. Medium bowl, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 cups of peanut butter. Put 8 graham crackers into a plastic bag
And smash. Add your graham crackers to this bowl and mix.
Now add our peanut butter mixture to our chocolate. Now pour the rest of your chocolate over top.
Now let's cut into this.
Now for our taste test, with our tiny spoon of course.